Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing 2 ways in using okra for your hair growth. Okay, so this is the okra I'm going to be using for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So I'm going to be using the okra water, okay, for my daughter's hair, and the okra paste for my own natural hair. So I'm using this for 2 different natural hair. My daughter's hair is 3B while my hair is 4C. So this is what I'll do. I slice my okra and I'm going to put it inside this bowl, this pot. Then I'm going to cook it to bring out the water. All right, so okra has amazing benefits. Okra can improve your hair health in many ways. It includes adding a shine, moisturizing and promoting your hair. Okay, when it comes in shine, okra has a very more better ways to make your hair look healthy and shiny. So I cook this okra water. I cook this okra for like 30 to 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, and after that I strain. All right, okra helps in healthy scalp. Okay, okra anti-inflammatory properties can help in smoothing dandruff and other scalp irritation. Okay, okra for hair texture. Okra water improve your hair texture. So if your hair is thin, use okra water and it's going to help you to improve the texture by making it thicker. So okra helps in moisturizing your hair. Okay, it's a natural condition that keeps your hair hydrated and prevent it from dryness. So I'm adding in my oils. I use this DIY oil. It's already in my channel. Do want to check it out. Okay, so I'm just adding a few drops of oils. I'm going to be adding almond oil as well. Okay, so okra for hair growth. Okay, for growing of your hair. All right, okra water contains vitamin A and C, which nourish and protect your scalp. Okay, and it also promotes hair growth. Okra water helps in getting rid of dandruff. Okay, so okra water helps in hair loss. Okay, okra water can help you to reduce hair loss. All right, so I'm also adding in my coconut oil inside as well. Coconut oil has so many benefits. Okay, so you can use okra water as a rinse out or as a leave-in treatment, but I've never used okra water as a leave-in treatment. Maybe I'm gonna try that. Yeah, but I've not used it as a leave-in treatment. I use this as a rinse out treatment. So I think I'm going to try out the leave-in treatment to see how it goes, because you know I love trying things in the channel, you guys know. So this is my first time, or should it be my second time using it on my daughter's hair. So I'm adding castor oil inside this as well. So this treatment, I used it on my daughter's hair. All right, so you can do this treatment on your 4B hair, 4C hair. You can use it on any hair. I also used the remainder of this treatment on my sister's hair. She came around, she has 4 kinky hair just like me, and I used it to detangle her hair because I helped her to lose her, I think she carried her braid for like a month. So I detangled it and her hair bounced back. Okay, she always complained of breakage, so I thought that using okra on your hair is going to help you out in reducing breakage. Okay, so I used that on her hair and she didn't really get a lot of shedding. Yeah, so this is me using it on madam's hair and the coils was just coming up. Okay, it was just popping up and down. Yeah, so I always use okra as her treatment. So when I did this the first day on this video, you guys can see, so since then I have been using okra on her hair and her hair is doing so well. Okay, so she's just 3 years old and I'm trying to grow her hair to maybe waist length. Finger crossed. Okay, finger crossed guys, but I am seeing results on her hair as time goes, because I started using Avidevic treatment on her hair when she was 2. Yes, that's when I started doing on this, because I waited for her hair to be her scalp to be stronger to collect all these natural ingredients. So when she was 2, I started doing all this using it small. So it was when she entered 3 and I said, okay, full force. Full force. You know, when she was 2, I started adding it just small, like little by little. But when she clocked 3, that was this year January, I started doing it full force on her hair, like really full force. So this is me doing it on her hair. Sorry I did not put what they call it, I now put towel and she was just giving a lot of funny faces. This a full video about this is in the channel, so I'm just only telling you guys or giving you guys more details about using okra on your natural hair and what it has been doing on my hair and on my daughter's hair as well. So I'm just going to apply this all over her hair, and I'll take you guys on how I also use okra on my 4C hair, which I am on mini braids journey. Okay, we are almost closing in 2 months. Okay. So fam, this is the second way of using okra for your hair. Okay, the cooked okra, you know, when you strain the okra, you get the cooked part, right? That part you can still use it to do a deep condition. Okay, this is me using as a deep condition. So I added my okra, then I added this my 3 best ingredient, which is clove, fenugreek seed, and rosemary. So I added this into the okra. Okay, then I blended everything together and it gave me this amazing paste. Okay, after blending, I added small water. Okay, then after adding small water inside, I blended and it came out being a paste. Okay, I used that paste for a very good deep condition. Okay, using okra as a deep condition is also so good. Okay, like the sleep you will get from this is 1 in a million. Yeah, so I'm just going to be adding some oil inside. The first oil of choice is my almond oil. Okay, then I mix everything together and I think I added coconut oil thereabout. I did a separate video about that. Please do it to check that video out. Okay, so this particular okra, look, can you see the slip in it? Like the slip is giving. So I apply it all over my hair and this is what I have. Like my hair is, it's just, can you just look at it? Look at the smile on my face. Okay, to tell you how slippery this is. Just imagine you using this as a detangler. Okay, when you're trying to detangle your hair, like your hair, you will have less breakage. So if you're suffering with a lot of breakage, try incorporating okra into your routine and your hair is going to love it. Okay, so this is me in my hair. It is so slimy, like the sliminess is just there, but I love it. Okay, I love it. I have a love and hate feeling towards okra because it's really it's a messy journey, but the result is always giving. That's why I say I have a love and hate feeling towards okra. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this my small routine with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. I left this on my hair for 45 minutes and after 45 minutes I put it, like I rinsed out with using condition, because when you rinse out with just only okra, your hair will still be drying. So after you rinse out for like you've rinsed it out, then you add condition. The condition is going to help you to bring out, like to make your hair not to be slimy again. So please take note of this. When using okra, when you rinse out, okay, after rinsing out, you still feel that sliminess in your hair, but when you use condition, the sliminess will disappear. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me and I'll see you all my besties in my next one. So this is my hair and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.